Well, howdy, folks. Welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. We managed to bend one of our rock rails, so we're going to reinforce it, fix it up. We'll be using the grinder and the welder. Let's get the voltage flowing.
Terry Family Adventures.
Alright, as you can see, this rock rail here is pressed into this plastic pretty hard. The brackets that we welded in there, the rail itself rolled as at the front end here, so it's bent. So we're gonna have to take it off of there. We're gonna pound it back straight, and we're gonna put some reinforcement behind it. All right, so we're gonna take and we're gonna weld these bolts in and make a stud. That way, once the supports are on there, it's going to be kind of a pain to get a wrench up in here to tighten it down. So we're going to go ahead and weld that in place. Pro tip here, if you need to mark something, it needs to be weatherproof, waterproof, cleaner proof. You're going to drive a vehicle around in the snow and you want the marks to stay there. Fingernail polish is like $1 and it works great. And it comes with a little brush. And so I'm going to reach up in here and put some on the heads of these nuts with the brackets so that we'll know where to weld them in place so they're in the right spot. Ready and action. Secret action man.
I hope it works too, honestly.
Well, at one point I was going to just put a ton of cardboard up in here and hit it with a can of spray paint.
I don't think that's a good idea.
as you can see, we got it all welded on here. We've got it sanded down a little bit. I wasn't too worried about how much we clean it up because we're going to send it off to be sandblasted and powder coated. But we got all the little gussets in there. It's all welded up. Enjoy this footage of us finishing it up. Say hi, James.
Hello.
So we got it back on there. It looks tucked up a lot better. It's reinforced. I get a hold up, and yeah. And there you go, folks. It's another episode of the Rock Rails. Of course, they're not over. If you like the video, of course, like the video. Subscribe if you want to catch some more Rock Rail videos or trail videos or whatever you got. You can hit us up on Facebook. We always answer every comment. And check out that video right there to see the first part of the Rock Rails so that you can get caught up on this project. Thanks for watching.